Garmin Forerunner 55 with GPS, 5 ATM water resistance, activity tracking launched. Garmin Forerunner 55 fitness-oriented smartwatch has launched in India on Friday after debuting in the US earlier this month. The smartwatch comes with a round dial and is offered in 3 colors. Garmin Forerunner 55 has 5 ATM water resistance and long-lasting battery life. It uses a standard 20mm strap, so it's easy to find alternative straps from watch accessory sellers. There are also quite a few health monitoring functions built into the smartwatch SPO2 monitor. Garmin Forerunner 55 also comes with GPS connectivity. Garmin Forerunner 55 is priced at 20,990 rupees and is offered in aqua, black, and Montera grey colors. The smartwatch will be available from Amazon, Flipkart, Tata Click, Synergizer, and Garmin brand stores. Garmin Forerunner 55 specifications, features. Garmin Forerunner 55 features a 1.04-inch round-colored display with 208 by 208 pixels resolution. It uses a sunlight visible, transflective memory and pixel (MIP) panel that is protected by chemically strengthened glass. It comes with Bluetooth connectivity and works with both iOS and Android platforms. You get 5 ATM water resistance, GPS connectivity, and it can record 200 hours of activity data. Garmin says the battery can last up to 2 weeks in smartwatch mode, and up to 20 hours of continuous usage in GPS mode. The Garmin Forerunner 55 can perform typical tasks like setting alarms, timers, stopwatch, and sunrise/sunset times. It can also locate your smartphone and supports Find My Watch functionality. Sensors on board include GLONASS, Garmin Elevate wrist heart rate monitor, and accelerometer, besides GPS. In terms of health monitoring, it comes with wrist-based heart rate monitoring, respiration rate, fitness age, stress monitoring, relaxation reminders, sleep monitoring, hydration, and women's health. Garmin Forerunner 55 features step counter, auto goals feature, calories burned, distance traveled, and more. The gym and activity profiles include cardio and elliptical training, stair-stepping, heat, Pilates, and yoga. It also tracks running, treadmill running, track running, indoor track running, virtual running, cycling, swimming, and more.